I wanted to share my recent purchase off of eBay. I opened this up and a little surprised. It was a little worse for wear than the pictures had shown. I gotta admit that he did list it as untested and in rough condition, and it was cracked here and here, but when I opened it, it's also cracked here. So if you notice, when I push on this keyboard, everything moves. I believe that's probably where the mounts are for the keyboard, so I'm assuming something heavy got dropped on this. The letter T was missing in the picture, so that I knew that buying it. I also didn't expect to hear all the rattling. I'm afraid to see what I'm going to see when I open this up. I'm hoping that's not a capacitor or some other component that got destroyed on the motherboard. I wanted to use this as a repair video. The first one I did, unfortunately, when I opened it up, it worked, so it wasn't much of a video. So I'm hoping this one will be a little more entertaining. Depending how bad this is, this may be a couple parter, several parts, maybe one video, but just several days for me. I don't know. I'll have to work on this when I have time. Jeez, there's nothing holding it together. Let me get into here and see what. Yeah, there's something rolling around in there. Two screws there. Get a look at this. Just spinning around. That one's coming out. Yeah, we got one. There's nothing holding the motherboard down. All the tabs are broken in the back. Oh, there's a screw. Plastic. Yeah, that's one of the standoffs. I planned on, if I could, fix this and just put this in another case I have anyways. That's why I didn't mind buying it. It was inexpensive, and I wasn't even going to use it because of the cracks. Now I definitely can't use it. Yeah, it's gouged up too. That's not too bad. That seems salvageable. And more plastic. There's more plastic. Well, it looks populated, but get my glasses on, see a little better. How's that on those capacitors? That might be mold. Might have to spray this down a little bit. Jeez, look at that. You see that? This is broken. Looks like something must have impacted. Look at those capacitors. They're just chipped and busted, so those are going to have to be replaced. Yeah, something hit this hard. That's all grungy too. That's no big deal. A lot of them are socketed. I can pull those quick and test them in the test board. Look at this. They were just wrenching on this. What did they do to this thing? Is there even a video chip in there? There is a video chip in there. I probably saved it from getting smashed. That is... Yeah, somebody's been in here before me. Do have screws in here, but they don't look like they belong there. Yeah, they're short ones, okay. And there's more plastic. That's why that spun. That's just busted off. All except for one mounting hole. They're all broken. I thought I was going to use this one anyways, but that is... Were they playing football with this thing? I don't understand. It's like somebody that owed Mike Tyson money or something. That's ridiculous. It's filthy. Oh, somebody was in here too. That's a standoff, but yeah, they have mismatched screws here. That is what it's supposed to be over here, and that's one of the case screws holding it in, or was it this one that was holding it in? One of these silver ones. So that was wrong. Capacitors don't look too bad. They don't seem bubbled. Yeah, but these ones are definitely going to have to get fixed if I can get that in the shot. Those are just destroyed. I have some extra ones of those I can just pop in there. I have to spray this down. I think that's mold. Filthy too. It's IPA. Just give it a quick little scrubbing in case it is. I don't really want to be touching that. I already have. I don't know if it'll kill it, but better than nothing. I don't see any of those MT technology chips that are usually known to fail. I'm not seeing any moss. Those are known to fail. These are actually, I don't know the brand, but I've seen these. I don't usually have any problem with these, and one of my backups are these. Why is U13 socketed? That's kind of an odd one to be. I don't think anybody's been all the way in the back on this. The other ones don't look tampered with. That one's not done. I want to see what's behind here, see if it's how bad that looks. Get rid of this damn shield anyways. Yeah, maybe because it's coming off pretty easy. Now that I said that, and I don't have the soldering iron plugged in either. Okay. Let's get this little off. More pieces. That's going in trash. I'll go back through and desolder those and clean those up. Yeah. No, this doesn't look like it's been touched. 13. No, that looks like it's from the factory. I don't think anybody's been back here. Yeah, all right, well, I'm kind of out of time for now. I'll come back and revisit this. It still might be one complete video, but I definitely want to get in and test some of these chips. They're from 84. 14th week of 84, 13th week of 84, 17th week of 84, 15 of 84, 18 of 84, 16. They're all within each other. What that? See what version that Vic chip is. It's an R8. $6567 R8. Glue on there. I've never seen them glued so they didn't move. That's a first. Seen this patch job before. I don't know why that one socketed though. Yeah, but they're all 84. They're all touched with yellow paint, so I think they were all tested or signed off on working. Still kind of amazed by that. Something hit that hard to break those, because you could see where it pushed against that and just shattered it. All right, well, I'll set up my other test board and I'll go about popping these out and testing them. That feels loose too. How does that feel loose? I don't think that's supposed to be loose. FB8. Does it say FB8? FB8. Oh, the other ones too. That one's too. What is FB8? I'll have to look that up. You guys see anything else? Huh. There's no fuse in it. Well, that could be why it doesn't work. It's supposed to have a glass fuse in it, a fast-acting fuse. I don't have a spare one, but I could just borrow one from one of my other computers. Not a big deal. Until I pick up some, I could pick up a few. I think it's a 1 amp or 1.5 amp. I can't remember, but I'll look them up. I'll get one, but that's going to have to get put in there. Well, that could be good and bad. If they took it out, it either blew. If it blew, was it because of the transformer power supply? Or did it do more damage to somewhere in the board? Ooh, that could be bad too. I could have a lot of fried chips here too. Well, I guess we'll find out. So I'll stop that here now and I'll edit it in.